I just want somebody to explain to me how fireworks don't make noise. Can anybody do that? Okay, now there's a little noise.
They're making noise.
They are now. There for a little bit, they weren't making any noise. And they're still not as loud as they were.
This is the last one.
This is the grand finale? How you know?
We thought that earlier.
Yeah. Come on, make another animal. Are those little hearts?
Other ones were. So, yeah.
Ooh. Isn't this romantic, girls?
Christmas lights were sitting in the same spot for 45 minutes.
Oh, shit. See, they're back to being silent. Is that like a new thing that they're working on, trying to make silent
Maybe.
fireworks?
Might be. Everybody's recording them like Rick Ronimus. Oh, yes, it must be real close.
Ah! Where'd you go?
Got some good shots. He's sitting down there somewhere. He's live right now.
Who is it? Oh, look at that. That's even better. Look at
Keith's
this,
dad.
Donna.
What?
Wow, look at this.
I know,
Keith's
Beth
dad's
won't take
sitting
me
right down
closer.
there.
Oh gosh, you're recording us.
Well, ooh, oh, that's pretty. Oh, like little tiny balls. That's cool. The moon's not pink anymore.
Did you know your shoes are the first
Wait.
thing people subconsciously
Where'd it go?
notice about you? Wear nice shoes.
There's the moon. Yeah.
If you sit for more than 11 hours a day, there's a 50% chance you'll die years earlier.
Yeah.
There's 6 people in the world who look exactly like you.
What?
There's a 9% chance that you'll meet one of them in your lifetime.
That'd be
Sleeping
crazy.
without a pillow reduces back pain and helps your spine stronger. Well,
Sleeping
Without a pillow?
maybe I should try that. That's fun.
Oh, I know. I definitely. If I accidentally fall asleep with 2 pillows, my neck hurts when I wake up.
That's it.
But I always make sure I sleep with the pillow between my legs because that helps take pressure off of your back.
A person's height is to be determined by their father, and their weight is determined by their mother. If part of your body falls asleep, you can almost always wake it up by shaking your head.
Hmm.
There are 3
What?
things the human brain cannot resist noticing: food, attractive people, and danger.
What do you mean? My dad was tall, so how? And Heath's tall, and his dad's short.
It's probably just a, right-handed people tend to chew food on their right side.
Huh. I'll have to test that out because I don't even know.
I chew on my right side. I'm gonna watch Keaton see if he chews on his left. He's left-handed.
Next left-handed.
Actually, he can use both. According to
Ooh!
Albert Einstein, if honeybees were to disappear from Earth, humans would be dead within 4 years.
Huh. I believe that. Because your mental state can really make a difference on your health.
Laziness and inactivity kills just as many people as smoking. A human brain has a capacity to store 5 times as much information as Wikipedia.
Not mine.
Oh, brains on. You can survive without eating for weeks, but you can only live 11 days without sleeping.
Oh, really?
There are so many kinds of apples that if you ate a new one every day, it would take you over 20 years to try all apples.
Huh.
That's wild.
Yeah, I had no idea.
No, I don't believe that one. I've never seen that many types of apples.
I haven't either, but I
30 years.
really haven't looked. I like Granny Smith. That's my favorite.
Let's see. Our brain uses the same amount of power as a 10-watt light bulb. Our body gives enough heat, I don't believe this, mine does anyway, in 30 minutes to boil 1.5 liters of water. So, especially at night. Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve razor blades. Whoa.
I believe that because it causes some pretty sharp pains.
Take a 10 to 30 minute walk every day, and while you walk, smile. It is the ultimate antidepressant.
Okay, we'll have to remember that when we go on our walks.
Sit in silence for at least 10
Oh,
minutes
cool.
each day. When you wake up in the morning, pray and ask God's guidance for your purpose today.
I asked him to walk with me. That's so pretty. Woo!
Drink tea and plenty of water. Eat blueberries, broccoli, and almonds.
Put blueberries in
At
mine.
least 3 people smile each day.
Okay, guys. Can each of you smile for me then? That'll be. I just have one more
Don't
again.
waste your precious
All
energy
right.
on gossip, energy
As soon as I turn
vampires,
this off,
issues
something
of
really
the
pretty is going
past.
to happen.
So here, see, negative thoughts,
It's getting really
things you
low.
cannot control.